So basically, it's a USSD trigger location-based emergency service with geofencing. And what we're going to see is a user dialing *911 * a contact number hash, and that is a USSD shortcode with a parameter, which is the contact number, that is the number that is going to be used for sending the SMS to Telnets. And this USSD session will reach PIKE's extended USSD gateway. Then the extended USSD gateway will contact the extended service delivery platform of PIKE according to its routing rules. Okay, so at that moment, the extended SDP will contact the geolocation API, PIKE's geolocation API, to perform a map ATI anytime interrogation via to the HLR of the network via the extended GMLC, another of our platforms, of our core network platforms. And this is according to the logic of the project created in the extended service delivery platform via its service creation environment. So once the geolocation API gathers the location information from the GMLC and actually from the and directly from the HLR, it performs another location request to the extended GMLC, which will be a more sophisticated one, and this will be through diameter SLH SLG reference points in order to arm the geofence to request a location report from the LTE radio access network, while the requesting MSISTN of the USSD requester exits the area given by the LTE global cell global identification provided initially by the map ATI. And at that moment, the extended SDP will send an SMS through the Telnets API to the contact number with the current location of the USSD requester user demanding assistance. Okay, and finally, the SDP will order the USSD gateway to end the USSD session, informing the current location and the delivery of the SMS to the desired contact number to the USSD requester. Well, here you can see at the left the radio access network, the core network of the operator, and the core elements of the geolocation ecosystem of PIKE, which are the extended USSD gateway, the extended GMLC, the extended SMSC, the extended SDP with the geolocation API, and the extended Geo, which is a platform where we have as a kind of a front end of the extended GMLC, and where many location-based services applications reside. Okay, so initially the requester is sending or starting a USSD session, which will reach the extended USSD gateway by dialing *911 * the contact number hash, and the extended USSD gateway will contact through USSD over SIP the extended SDP, and then trigger a HTTP post to the extended GMLC to send a map ATI to the HLR. Okay, so once the extended GMLC gets the information from the HLR, it sends back through HTTP to the extended SDP in JSON format, which will then trigger the diameter location request to the LTE network in a more sophisticated way, because by this diameter commands, we are asking the network to do a triangulation and to get together the geographical coordinates of the user equipment of the USSD requester. Okay, so once we get the provide location answer from the NME, the extended GMLC will deliver the location information to the extended STP, and the extended STP will send the location information to Geo. So this platform can show in a map, in a Google map, where the USD requester is upon a geofence event, upon in this case, if the USD requester exits the zone defined by the cell global identification of the initial map ATI, the radio access network will send a report which will be delivered through diameter to the extended GMLC, and the report will be sent to extended Geo for showing it in a map. So
we're going to run the test. 911 is the USSD code that we defined for this test. And this is my phone number, the destination number where we are going to send this request. Up here we can see the originator number. Okay, go ahead. Okay, this is the successful response. Now I'm going to quickly change my screen to my cell phone to show.
yes, we can see it, that we have the message.
Yes.
Now Berman is running some more simulated tests with a USD phone simulator, and is, as you can see, the first one is telling that this number is located at this latitude and longitude, okay, and is requesting your assistance, okay. Now we have another one. This goes to a simulator, okay, simulating the SS7 and the diameter network. So we are getting different locations at each test. Okay, so Berman is getting different.
I'm sending a third right now.
Different cell IDs and different latitudes and longitude, but always the requester is the same: 598 99 99077 937.
That one, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, so there you go, with the details of the requesting number, the USD requester, and the latitude and longitude and other parameters like the EUTRAN or LTE cell ID, okay, and the date. And as you can see, the date is right now.